Hi, let's talk about the wage-based enrollment documents you will need to upload. You have been invited to enrollment by a provider organization who is hosting a wage-based program experience. For this program experience, you will not be paid by incentive amounts, but rather by the hour. To begin, the wage-based enrollment packet is composed of 7 documents. Quick disclaimer, please be sure to read all documents, including the first page, thoroughly. And you'll need a parent or guardian to sign the documents if you are under the age of 18. First, you will need to complete the participant application signature page. Confirm that you have read, received, and understand the participant handbook by checking the checkbox. Next, read the waiver and release statement. Only check the box if you disagree, skip if you agree. You will do the same for the Buckley statement below, and only check the box if you disagree, skip if you agree. Lastly, you will need to sign the form along with a parental or legal guardian signature if you are under the age of 18. Now on to the next document, the participant income verification form. Start by entering your legal name, then calculate your monthly income, and then identify your family size. Note, this is only regarding youth income and not family or parental guardians. If you, the youth, have no job, you are not married, and have no children, then your income will be $0 and the number of family members will be 1 respectively. If this is the case, skip to self-attestation to $0 income and type in your full name in the self-attestation statement. However, if you have income, check the first box and then check one of the 4 boxes that follow with it. Be sure to include an upload of the document proving your income. Lastly, sign below. Next will be the W-4 tax withholding document. This form lets your employer know how much money to withhold from your paycheck for federal taxes. It will be even more critical to enter the most accurate and correct information to prevent any issues. Enter all credentials: first name, middle initial, last name, address, city, state, zip code, social security number. Now that you have completed step 1, read to confirm if steps 2 through 4 apply to you. If not, skip to step 5, sign and date the document. However, if steps 2 through 4 do apply, complete these steps and then sign and date the document. Next is the Inaud document. You will notice that some information has trickled down to this form. This form is used to verify the identity and employment authorization of individuals hired for employment within the United States. Make sure everything is correct, and once again, fill out all necessary information correctly and clearly as follows, and then sign and date when finished. Please note, at the bottom, when you're asked to fill out information about a certified preparer and or translator, this does not include a relative or associates that have helped you fill out this form. And if you have not consulted a certified preparer, simply check that you did not and proceed to the next page. If you have used one, check the box stating that they have assisted and have them complete the bottom section. Now you will need to fill out the Act 32 form. This is a Commonwealth of Pennsylvania document relating to local and statewide taxation. And once again, you will notice that some information has trickled down from previous entries. Once more, make sure that the information is correct and include the remaining as necessary. Please note that Philadelphia is the city, municipality, and the county. The Philadelphia Youth Network's information has already been filled in for you, and you will lastly need to sign and date, and then add your phone number and email address below. Next will be the parental acknowledgement of minors' duties and hours of employment form, and this only applies to minors that are 15 and younger. It is the responsibility of the parent or guardian and youth to complete the final section below with a printed name, signature, and date. And finally, you will need to complete the FBI Disclosure Waiver for minors. Start by entering your name, reading the content with your parent, guardian, and finally, once again, printing and signing your names below. Have your parents or guardians do so as well if you are under the age of 18. You will also receive an email from the Philadelphia Youth Network's database known as Pendex. This will give you a link to upload your enrollment packets and any vital documents that need to be submitted. You will need to first select the document type from this drop-down menu. Next, click or tap the upload box and select the saved document from your device and upload it. And then finally, click the blue upload file button at the bottom right corner. This step must be completed for every necessary document required by your program. Your program's coordinator will verify your submitted documents and accept if the document is correct. If there is an error, you will receive an email informing you to return to the portal to resubmit the necessary document or documents. Please be sure to reach out to your program contact person, as they are there to help you if you have any questions or issues that may be concerning your document submissions. Congratulations, you have completed your enrollment packet for the wage-based program. Thanks for watching, and if you have any additional questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to your partner organization staff or PYN via phone at 267-502-5900 or by email at workreadyhelp@pync.org for assistance.